So a little under a year ago, I took on the task of painting a lot of areas in my house. It looked so much better. However, there were some areas in my stairwell that were just really high and hard to reach, even with a ladder because of the stairs. And so they sat and were left unpainted for so long. Now, I saw this tool at the hardware store when I was there and picked it up to see how it worked. I wanted to show you it just so that you could use it yourself if you have areas that are like mine. So this paint roller here has an area on the bottom that can screw into a long pole. It also has these wheels on the ends, which are really nice because that will butt up against the wall or trim piece. And you can see here that it holds it just far enough away that it won't get paint on the trim or the next wall, but helps it move right along it. Let me show you some other features this has that are kind of cool. It has a lock down here. So as you can see, when not locked, it swivels and moves about. But you can lock it and it'll hold in place. So whatever you find is easier for the wall or the ceiling that you're working with. Now the pad on the bottom seems like it would work good with most surfaces. And it has these buttons here on either side that you just squeeze to pull off the painting pad so you can replace it so easy. The new one you just put on, squeezing it as well and push it into place. All right, let's give this a go. So I already had a long pole that I use for painting and many other things around the house. So you can just pick these up at any hardware store. The nice thing is a lot of tools just screw onto it, and then you have the ability to use it from the ground, even though you need to reach pretty high up. So I'm going to start with the swivel unlocked and see how that works. I did put something down to protect my stairs and moved it along as I went. Now the trick to this is to put on just enough paint so that you're getting a good solid cover, but you don't want to put on a ton of paint. Otherwise, that's going to seep right up by the wheels and you're going to actually have paint everywhere. So luckily I kind of knew this going into it, so I didn't have any issues with that, but just take your time. Overall, I was really happy with this painting tool. It was easy to use, affordable, and gave me nice, clean, straight lines. All right, I will see you on the next video.